suffering from cough, flu, or fever. Here are 5 home remedies to help you feel better. 1. Hydration. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, and clear broths to stay hydrated and soothe your throat and reduce fever. 2. Honey and lemon. Mix honey and lemon juice in warm water to ease cough and sore throat. 3. Ginger. Combat the flu with ginger tea or ginger-infused meals. 4. Rest. Get adequate sleep and rest to allow your body to recover and fight off the infection. 5. Steam inhalation. Ease congestion and flu symptoms through steam inhalation. Subscribe for more health tips.